sometimes it's easier to repair something around the house than it is to replace it.
Well, this is a perfectly good example of that, Danny. I have the shower curtain rod, which broke recently, and the way this one works, it's under tension. You telescope it out until it's a little longer than the width of the walls. You kind of wedge it in place. Now, the other option is to use the kind that has the sockets like you have in your clothes closet that you screw to either wall.
Yeah, but you have to drill through ceramic most of the time.
Right, you have to drill into the ceramic, then if you move them, you got the holes to deal with. So I thought this would be a quicker and easier way to repair it.
Okay.
What I did earlier is I drilled 2 holes through both of these rods after I used this piece of tape to sort of mark the proper length. And now I'm going to just put in a couple of stainless steel screws, and you want to use, these are self-tapping sheet metal screws, and you want to make sure you use stainless steel because you don't want them to rust. So I drilled a 1/8 inch diameter pilot hole. I'll just spin in these screws, and what this will do is it'll lock it in position.
Well,
now,
you'll have to make sure it's right then.
Yeah,
you only get one chance.
We're going to find out in a second. Now you're pretty much committed to this length once you lock in those screws, but I think, if I measured correctly, I think this will be okay. So you just set it in there and pull it down, and look at that. You see this one, in our first try, we got it, and I can remove the tape. And that just, a little bit of tension holds it in place, and it's as good as new.
So instead of $12 to $15 for a rod, you've invested what, 50 cents?
That's about it.